Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert multiple columns or rows in Microsoft Excel. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So most of us should be aware by now that if you right click on the top header information, so like for the D column here, if I were to right click and then insert, it'll insert another column to the left side of it. And the same principle would apply for rows. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert multiple columns or rows to save you guys some time in the future. So in order to begin, we're just going to start by selecting whatever row we want to, again, have the blank in between or before. So in this case, we're going to be looking at columns first. So once I've selected D up here, I just want to drag over along the top. And you can see down underneath like where the sheet information is, it shows how many columns we have selected. So right next to sheet 3, it shows 7 columns, 8 columns, 9 columns, 10 columns, so forth. So once I've selected all the ones I want to go through, I want to right click and then left click on insert. This will insert 10 new columns for us. And the same principle would apply for rows as well. So let's say I wanted to have 10 rows in between 6 and 7. I'm just going to left click on 7 here. I'm going to drag it down until it says 10 rows. Then I'm going to right click on the left side where everything's highlighted over all of these rows here. I'm going to right click on the rows and then I'm going to left click on insert, and there we go. We have 10 new rows inserted. So pretty straightforward and pretty cool. So I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.